Just uploading videos isn't enough to make real money on YouTube. A lot of people think, if I just keep posting consistently, eventually the money will follow. But that's not how it works. If your videos aren't set up to attract the right viewers or keep them engaged, you're going to struggle to make any significant AdSense revenue, no matter how many videos you post. That's the problem I'm going to show you how to handle today. The truth is, the difference between a channel making pennies and one making thousands often comes down to one key thing: understanding how YouTube's system works and using that knowledge to your advantage. It's not about beating the algorithm, it's about working with it. And once you learn how to do that, you'll see why your revenue isn't where it could be. And more importantly, how to fix it. What is AdSense for YouTube? AdSense is Google's advertising program, and it's how YouTube creators make money from the ads that run on their videos. Every time someone watches an ad on your video or interacts with it, like clicking on it, you earn a portion of the revenue. It's a win-win. Advertisers get their products or services in front of potential customers, and you get paid for being the platform where that happens. But, and this is a big but, not all views or ads are equal. So what does AdSense revenue actually depend on? You might think it's just about the number of views your videos get. More views equals more money, right? Well, not exactly. It's true that views play a role, but what really matters is how valuable those views are. Advertisers don't pay the same amount for every ad they run. Some ads are worth way more than others because they're targeting specific audiences or using high-demand keywords. That's why a channel with fewer views can sometimes earn more money than a channel with millions of views. It all comes down to who's watching and how your content is optimized. The role of SEO in making money with YouTube. If you've heard about SEO before, you probably think it's just for websites and blog posts. But YouTube SEO is just as important, if not more so, when it comes to growing your channel and boosting your AdSense revenue. Here's the thing: YouTube is a search engine. Whenever someone types something into that little search bar, YouTube's algorithm decides which videos to show and the order they're shown in. If your video isn't optimized to appear in those results, you're missing out on views and potential revenue. How to optimize your YouTube videos. Let's start with the title, because that's the first thing viewers and the algorithm notice. A good title isn't just catchy, it's clear and uses keywords people are actually searching for. Think of your title as a promise to the viewer. It should tell them exactly what they're going to get if they click on your video. For example, instead of titling a video, "My Morning Routine," something like "How to Create a Morning Routine That Boosts Productivity" is much more specific and likely to attract an audience that advertisers are willing to pay for. But a good title alone won't cut it. Your video description is just as important. This is where you can really lean into those keywords, but in a way that feels natural and informative. A lot of creators skip this step or just toss in a couple of generic sentences. Don't do that. Use the description to explain what your video is about and include keywords you think people will search for. For example, if your video is about fitness tips, mention things like workout routines, home fitness, or beginner exercise tips. These keywords help YouTube understand what your video is about and match it to people searching for those topics. Tags used to be a big deal, but these days they're not as important as titles and descriptions. That said, they still matter a little. Think of tags as a backup way to tell YouTube what your video is about. Use them to reinforce the keywords in your title and description. For example, if your video is about how to bake bread, your tags might include baking bread, homemade bread recipe, and easy bread baking. It's not going to make or break your video, but it's worth doing. Now let's talk about thumbnails. Thumbnails aren't technically part of SEO, but they're key for getting people to click on your videos, and no clicks mean no AdSense revenue. A great thumbnail stands out without being over the top or clickbaity. It should visually match the tone of your video and give viewers a reason to stop scrolling. But remember, if your thumbnail doesn't deliver on what your title promises, people will click off the video, and that's gonna hurt your performance. Another key to boosting your AdSense revenue is understanding your audience. If you know who's watching your videos, you can tailor your content to attract more of the same type of viewer. And here's why that matters for AdSense. Advertisers pay more to reach specific audiences. For example, ads targeted at people interested in finance or technology usually have a higher cost per click than ads for general topics. So if you're creating content that attracts a high-value audience, you're likely to earn more from the same number of views. You can learn a lot about your audience through YouTube analytics. Look at the demographics of your viewers, things like their age, location, and what other types of videos they watch. This information can help you refine your content and figure out what topics are most likely to perform well. And once you know what works, you can double down on it. YouTube SEO tools. Let's talk about using the right SEO tools that can help you optimize your videos in an efficient way using real data instead of your best guess. One tool I can't recommend enough is TubeBuddy. If you're serious about growing your channel, this tool is almost non-negotiable. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that integrates directly with YouTube, giving you insights you wouldn't get otherwise. One of its best features is keyword research. Keywords are the backbone of SEO. They're what people type into the search bar when they're looking for content. With TubeBuddy, you can find high-performing keywords that match your video's topic. For example, instead of guessing whether easy dinner recipes is a good keyword, TubeBuddy will show you its search volume and competition level. This helps you pick keywords that people are searching for, but aren't overly competitive. Another brilliant feature of TubeBuddy is its SEO Studio, which walks you through optimizing your video's title, description, and tags. You can also analyze your competitors' videos to see what's working for them, which is a great way to learn and improve your own strategy. And let's be honest, if your competitors are doing something right, why not take a page from their playbook? If you're looking for another powerful tool, vidIQ is a great option. It's similar to TubeBuddy, but has a slightly different focus. vidIQ offers a feature called Channel Audit, which helps you see what's working and what isn't on your channel. It highlights your top performing videos, points out underperforming ones, and gives actionable suggestions for improvement. The keyword research tool on vidIQ is also top-notch, with detailed data about search volume, competition, and even related keywords that can help you expand your reach. Now, tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ are fantastic, but they're not magic wands. They won't do the work for you, but they'll guide you in the right direction. For example, if you find a great keyword, you still need to create a video that delivers real value to your audience. No tool can make up for poor content, but it can help make sure that your great content gets seen. Maximizing your AdSense revenue takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. By focusing on SEO, creating engaging content, and understanding your audience, you can turn your channel into a steady income stream. So take a step back, look at what's working and what isn't, and start making the changes that will help your channel grow. If you have any questions about growing your YouTube channel, or if you want to learn about more specific AI tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside YouTube Profit Academy, we share exclusive tips and updates on content creation, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, running online businesses, and much more. It's completely free, so be sure to join using the link in the description, and I'll see you inside. Where are you at in your YouTube journey? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.